indicate the baseband transmission. The used to be broadband variant, but it is never caught on the matter place. It has since vanished. Finally, it is a medium of coax, its length to given rounded to units of 100 meter after base. Historically, the second cable type was 10 base 2 or thin Ethernet, which is in contrast of the garden hose. Like a thick Ethernet bends easily. Connections to it are made using industry standard BNC connectors to form T junctions rather than using vampire tanks. BNC connectors are easier to use. The more reliable thin Ethernet is much cheaper and easier to install, but it can run for only 185 meter per segment, each of which can handle only 30 machines. Detaching cable breaks, excessive length, bad tapes, or loose of connectors can be major problem with the both media. For this reason, techniques have been developed to track them down. Basically, a plus to null sharp is infected into the cable. If the plus hits to the obstacles of the end of the cable, an echo will be generated and sent back by carefully timing the interval between sending and the pulse are receiving the echo. It is possible to localize the origin of the echo. This technique is called the time domain reflectometry. The problem associated with finding cable break drove system towards a different kind of wiring pattern, in which all the sections have a cable running to the center hub. They are all connected electrically. Usually these wires are telephone company twisted pairs, since most office buildings are already wires are telephone company twisted pairs since most office buildings are already wired this way are normally plenty of spare pairs. Office buildings are already wired into normally plenty of buffer incoming traffic available. The scheme called 10 base T hub do not buffer incoming traffic. We will discuss an improved version of idea, which is buffer incoming traffic, later in this chapter. These three wiring schemes are illustrated in the figure 4.4 for the 10 base 5. Transceiver is clamped assuredly around the cable so that it make contact with the collision detection. When the collision is detected, and transducer is also put a special invalid signal on the cable to ensure that all the transducers also realize to the collision has occurred. With 10 base 5, the transmitter cable, drop cable connected to the transmission to our interface board and the computer. The transmission cable